Luto na ang lechon.
Come here, come here.
Hello guys, we are heading to Port Burwell. Today we will go to camping. Are you excited, Tali?
Yeah.
Okay. We drive for almost 2 hours. See you guys there. See you soon.
At the light, turn right onto Highway 6 South, Ontario 6 South. Continue on Ontario 6 South for 8 kilometers.
Hi, Tali.
Hi.
Where are we going today?
To the camping.
With who?
Rental.
Yeah. Are you okay there? Are you okay? What did you had? Oh, you had juice
Donut.
and donut. Okay. Yeah?
I want to share with Rental.
Okay. For today's vlog, we are going to Port Burwell. How's my driver? Good.
I am good too.
Tali is good. Where's my Tali?
I am right here.
Okay, good. There is 30 degrees. I think later on it feels like 40. Humid. Right at this moment, we are in the Highway 6 approaching Highway 401. 401 West. Ay, East ba? 401 East.
West.
Ay, West. Ito pala. 401 West. 1 hour and 17 minutes.
Yan ang nagtatrabaho.
Port Burwell.
Hindi ko sinahuran isang linggo.
Yan sila nagtatrabaho dyan sa ano yan? Anong pangalan yan? Madeline? Madeline? Hindi siya sinahudan. Kasi hindi siya nagreklamo.
Kaya lang, mas maganda naman yung balik.
Yeah.
Paubaya ko na lang yun sa taas.
Isang linggo din yun. Sayang din yun.
Nasa kwan din, mga $300. Equivalent to 12,000 in peso value.
Tagal na yun, di ba? 2 years ago?
3 years.
3 years ago. We are approaching the Highway 401 West. 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 Tara po tayo.
Slide right onto the Ontario 401
Papuntang
West
London, Ontario.
In 800 meters, merge onto Ontario 401 West.
401 West. Ito ang kinakatakutan ng asawa ko mag-highway.
Hindi sanay eh.
Kasi ang 401, isa sa mga busiest highway here in Ontario. Oh, look at this, the traffic. Oh, good luck, my love. Oh, may truck love, ha? Diyos ko. Huwag ka muna mag-ano.
Continue on
Ako ang
Ontario
natakot eh.
401 West for 78 kilometers.
Oo, mag-ano ka. Diyos ko. ang ano na,
Kung hindi ka bibilis noon,
ang laki ng truck. Diyos ko. Ako yung natakot.
mahirapan ka kung hindi ka sasabayan mo yun. Mahaba yun eh.
Mag-merge ka na para ano, hindi ka nakano sa truck truck lane.
Eh, dalawang truck yun.
Takot ako dun sa truck na yun, sakit sa ulo.
dumating na kami guys dito sa Port Burwell. So ito pala yung niloto nilang kwan, lechon baboy. Yan. Tapos dito kami magka-camping. So malawak to. Kwanto guys, backyard. Yan. May nakasit up ng tent doon, no?
2 parcels.
This is our tent guys. That one.
The apartment 1 and the apartment 2.
This is unit 1 and that is unit 2.
Unit 2.
Unit 2 and Unit 1.
It's still empty.
Unit 2 and Unit 1. Ay, ito palang kuya.
Wow, it's very nice inside.
Ito.
Oh.
Ang ganda.
Ang laki ng backyard nila dito, oh. Pan kasi to, parang farm siya, malapit. Kaya ang lawak ng kanila backyard, oh. Tapos sa likod niyan may mga maisan pa. Yan. Tapos ito yung bahay nila.
Remember, I hear a ghost.
Yeah, maybe. Ooh.
Did you enjoy, guys?
Yes. Did you guys enjoy? Did you guys enjoy? You enjoy. Do you want Tari go home tonight?
Presko dito, oh.
No? Do you want to stay here tonight?
Ganda dito, guys, pag nag-retire tapos mag-farm ka na lang.
Okay.
Maisan yan, oh, hanggang doon, oh.
But you wanna go home tonight? No? How about you, Angie? You wanna go home?
Ang lawak nito.
Yeah?
Siguro mga hanggang doon sa may kalsada, mga 1 o hanggang kalahating hektarya ito. Yan, oh. So doon yung tent namin, oh. Yan, mamaya dito kami mag-diner. Yan. Tapos yung litson malapit nang maluto. Yun, oh. Pinapa na lang yan. Pinapainit-init ng dahan-dahan para hindi hilaw yung loob. Tapos maya may bonfire dyan, oh. May bonfire dyan. Tapos mayroon din silang kapitbahay dito, yan, oh. May mga alaga din yung manok doon. Ganda ng ano, Christmas tree. Yan.
That shoes in my tummy. Because your shoes.
Tapos mayroon silang RB. Yan, RB yan. Pag mag-camping pwede dyan. Ang ganda.
Your smells poop.
Ito guys, oh, yung mais. Siguro mga September or first week of October. Hina-harvest na ito. Yan, ito yung sweet corn. Yan, malawak to guys, you know? Tapos dito walang walang magnanakaw dito. Yan. Na guys, bali pahinga muna ako. Nagduduyan muna ako dito sa ilalim ng puno. Fresh ang hangin dito guys, kasi malayo sa mga sasakyan. na. Pulang-pula na oh. Wow. It's crispy. Nahulog na yung tainga? Ay, isa.
Hindi, wala. Dapat talaga, para mahulog yata, higutan yata natin. Higtan natin yata ito kasi dapat itong ulo na tanga siya.
Pwede.
Ibang mo, ano, siguro na siguro ang kamay nito may ano, may ginaganyan-ganyan niya.
Maroya. Maroya guys. Ito yung mga kabahayan dito guys. Yan. Malalawak ang kwan dito. Lawn nila. Pati backyard.
Come here, come here. Hindi sa pwede sa ano? Pwede man. Pero di ko.
Gandang aso.
Sadie!
Ganda ng lahi.
Don't go there, Sadie,
Hop,
please.
mainit. Luto na ang lechon. Tumutulo-tulo pa yung mantika oh. Yan, luto na. First time namin dito sa Canada maglechon. Yan.
Huwag doon sa... Dapat ibog dito yung ano para malapit. Hindi doon. Hindi pa. Palit dapat ang food. Ayun. Diyan na yan. Yun na lang i-transfer natin doon kasi doon natin lagay ang lechon kasi yan pwede natin i-chop. Huwag doon so. Yeah.
Ali. Nagdatingan na yung mga kasamahan namin guys.
Alam mo, nakalimutan nga ni Maribeth yung dressing. Ay, happy. Oh, nandiyan ang sana. Natapon ko na ako. Magandang pagkagawa, no? Parang may story daw.
Godzilla. From the Guardian.
Godzilla. No, Godzilla really scary though.
ng lechon.
Kailangan, I think it's easy to go from
I feel bad for little bro.
half success, half failed. So okay, ganyan talaga yung first time.
Yeah.
Luto ba guys?
Next time, perfect na yan.
Second time will be perfect. Yeah.
Kalimang sako.
Uling.
Dito ko muna ito ilagay.
Buti marami kayong uling na dala.
Sila.
Ah! Ang Mang Tomas, andoon sa may ano ko. Yun sa anong raon.
Lutong-luto.
Yung sa bin natin, Jo.
Bean na, oo, kunin ko.
Napan yung lasa ng Sprite.
Diba? Luto, init. Luto, init.
Lechon talaga guys.
7 hours day.
Successful.
Pagtingin sa ano, sa loob, hindi pa nako.
Yeah. Pero baka dito banda, huwag lang yan.
Parang professional ah.
Sa nipis lang tayo na side.
Ay, yung sabi mo, hindi ito banda, hindi pa?
Pwede naman ito ibalik.
Ah, yan ang pang ano, lechon paksing.
Ilit yung paksi, huwag nang ilang ibalik. Paksi mo.
The girls were having alcohol here.
Uy, hala.
Hindi, bago ito. Pinag-ano ito ni Betty?
Tsaka matibay ito kasi kahoy.
Yung ano,
Maano man lagi?
pinag-fix ito ni Betty.
Punta ko doon last year. Na,
Diyan ka na uupo.
Tapos umano, pinagbilang.
You got the ball. Oh, that's the other ball. Oh yeah. Wait, that's the other ball. Andrew, that's not your ball. That's not your ball, Andrew. It's a different ball. I know. It's a different ball.
Hindi, nandoon sa blue nga pa. Jo, saan mo yung blue na may chips?
Doon.
Yeah, doon. Ayun, sa may...
And then you're gonna finish it.
Where? Hindi, yung blue na freezer pack sa may tent ko. Yun yun.
Doon. Saan? Doon. Doon, te, yun. Yung ano na yun, bag.
Kumusta, Mila? But we already have one. Like you But why would it be
Pagdasal.
In the morning light, I see the truth. Running wild, my spirit soothes. Broken chains I leave behind. In His grace, my heart aligns. Through the storm, I find my way, guided by His endless way. Fears dissolve like morning dew. In His arms I'm born anew. Life only in God I find, peace that soothes my restless mind, strength to climb the
Alas 9 na ng
highest
gabi guys, pero maliwanag pa
in
rin.
His name I stand
Nandun pa yung ibang kwentuhan. Kami naman busy sa tent namin.
when the
Busy
night
sa
surrounds
road
my
kasi
soul.
pinapahangin na namin yung
His
airbed
love
namin.
makes
Ayan,
me
dalawang
whole.
bit.
Every step His light reveals. In His presence wounds are healed.
Sa yung tent namin.
Never
Honey, you
lost
wanna go
in
inside?
His
Huh? What's that?
embrace.
What?
Always held in grace.
Ha? Chocolate?
Whispers
Did say-
soft
did you-
my
did- did you say thank you?
heart receives. In
Yeah.
His love
Guys, nag-bonfire na kami.
life only
Ganda
in
ng apple, eh.
God I
Ang dami kasing lamok dito.
find. Peace that soothes my restless mind, strength to climb the highest walls. In His name I stand tall. Life only in God I find, peace that soothes my restless mind, strength to climb the highest walls. In His name I stand tall. In His name I stand tall.
Maruya.
I don't want to know if I.
Only on the app. Super hydration. Keeps me turquoise, having moisturized and smells like a fizzy
It's Rhea's birthday tomorrow and Myra on 13.
Ano yan?
Happy birthday to you. Ako rin sa atin dyan. Uy, nice shot eh, oh. Yeah. Ayaw taon. Kapanggigil mo ito.
New Year!
Happy New Year!
I don't know.
4 months na lang, New Year na.
Supat nila, Roger!
Alas 12 na ngayon guys. Dito pa rin kami sa labas. Nagpapainit.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world.